Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Khalilia. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button, okay? So, y'all, today is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to update you guys on my locks that I redid in the back a year ago. And I did a video on them when I took them down, started them over, why I did that, blah, blah, blah. It'll be in the description below. So, I just want to update you guys. I want to show you what my locks are looking like now. When I took them down, I started them with braids and then I coiled the ends. Now, when I took them down, y'all, my hair was like down to here. Like, I was like, dang, my hair is long. Do I want to take all my locks out? But I didn't. So when I took them down, they were about to here. Braided them up, coiled them. They were about to my shoulder. So a year from now, this is what they are looking like. So they still at my shoulder. They are maturing. You can still see the braid a little bit, the coil a little bit, but they are definitely maturing. Just, I don't think they matured as fast as my twist did. Like the rest of my Microlocs, I started with 2-strand twist. Now, my thing is, if you see the length of my back locks versus the rest of my locks, my back locks is so much shorter. So, and when I started my locks, originally they were about 3 to 5 inches, maybe 3 around here, 4 around here, 5 on the top, something like that. They were about 3 to 5 inches long. My hair was. So, they were about to here when they were finished. And I just knew when I started those back locks over, they were eventually going to catch up. They were probably going to shrink and, you know, mature, But I did not imagine them still being shorter compared to the rest of my locks. I also thought that because I was starting them with longer hair, they would end up longer than my other locks, but that's not what happened. So I've been wondering if it makes a difference of starting your locks with longer hair versus with shorter hair. Like, if you're starting them with longer hair, do you lose more shrinkage? Did I lose more shrinkage because I started it with the braid? What happened? Because it's just so crazy to me how much shorter those locks are in the back. So, I don't know, y'all. But that's an update on the back of my locks. Like I said, this was just going to be a quick update. And they're probably, what, about 3 inches shorter? I ain't never measured, but y'all seen them. They shorter. So, if you'd like to see the full video of me taking my locks out in the back, it will be down in the description below. And, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next time. Bye.